Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you not get caught using ChatGPT if you are using this for your school and if they are using a content AI GPT ChatGPT detector. So this is the way on how you can get over that. So for example, you ask ChatGPT to generate a um, for example short story like that. And just for demonstration purposes, let's go ahead and copy this. For example, you want to copy that and paste here. And check origin. So, by the way, this site is gpt0.me, and you can check if the text you are using is written by human or AI. So as you can see, it is 50% entirely written by AI. So to be able to go over and bypass this, you have to go on over and use this quillbot.com paraphraser like that, and you just have to paste the text there. So it will depend on your subscription. If you are using a free version, you are limited to words, a few words only. So you just have to paraphrase that. And then you just have to paste that again and check the origin. So as you can see, you have to enter more text. So you just have to go ahead and paraphrase that, the entire text, and just paste that again on Quillbot. Or you can just subscribe to them by upgrading to premium. There is also another site called GPT-1. So you just have to search for like that. So gpt-1.com. And you just have to type in the text, and that should go ahead and uh, replace the words but with synonyms in your text so that you won't be detected on your text if you are using ChatGPT. So all you have to do is copy and paste that, and you should be good to go, guys. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.